neglect these right things to grow your business. In this video, I am going to teach you a 3-step framework which is going to give you more TME, more time, more money and more energy so that you can grow your business in the next 100 days. Use that template and make it a beautiful life. That's how it goes. Number 1, imperfection is your BFF. Most entrepreneurs do not realize that a recent survey done of the top CEOs of over 100 companies came back with a pattern saying that these CEOs know that only 4 out of 10 of their decisions are going to fly, and therefore they are always ready to embrace imperfection. Small, medium-sized entrepreneurs are always looking for perfection, and therefore it leads to procrastination, delay, and sometimes death of the business. So embrace imperfection is your BFF. Number 2, 4,000 weeks. This concept that life is so short and infinite makes my heart dissolve every fear that I ever felt in my life. Because if life is infinite, all I need to do is BFF it. But this is not the best friend. This is make it bold, fast and fun. Every decision of yours, if it can be a bold one, if it's going to lead to fun, and if it's going to be fast, that's how you grow and go from strength to strength, million to million, and city to city, traveling with your families. And number 3 is IPL It. I love the format of IPL, which was non-existent many years ago, but when it came in, it became mainstream. In the IPL, most players are waiting for either a 4 or a 6 because they know that the overs, aka life with that analogy, is finite, and therefore they will only give 4s and 6s. So if you were to ignore the top 10 things that are sitting on your table and only pick up one decision today that will catapult your business, which one would that be? IPL It. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to repeat these 3 fundamental principles for you to be able to neglect the right things and make sure that you live beautiful, productive, profitable, travel-friendly, amazing, happy, healthy, revenue-centric, popular 4,000 weeks on this planet. Number 1, imperfection is your BFF. Number 2, there are only 4,000 weeks, embrace them. And number 3, IPL It. If you're able to follow these 3 systems, you will be able to make sure that your business grows leaps and bounds. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.